morning, welcome back to JMS Exterior Cleaning. We are in sunny Bournemouth today and we've got this block paved driveway and rear patio. As you can see, typically all your moss in between the bricks and all the white stuff is the lichen, form of algae. So this is going to have a low pressure clean, possibly steam cleaned, and then a soft wash to get rid of any of the organic matter, and then I'll be back to resand, and then the rear patio will be low pressure washed and soft washed as well. As you can see, nice big area. And then up to the pergola. Not too bad under here because obviously it's protected, but they want it all to have a good clean, ready for the season, start enjoying some al fresco dining. So we'll start at the rear of the property and work our way to the front. So click subscribe, click on the little bell for notifications of any new videos, and if you're interested in any exterior cleaning, my name's Joe and the phone number is 07983 535345. Thanks for watching. Good morning, welcome back. And here we have the final result of this lovely block paving driveway and rear patio. This has been low pressure cleaned using a bit of steam. It's been soft washed and then resanded. So customer delighted. Very happy with the results, and the patio has come up extremely well too, which we did last week. So there you have it. If you're interested in any exterior cleaning, my name's Joe and the phone number is 07983 535345. Thanks for watching.